Don't eat oatmeal for breakfast. Eat this instead. What am I talking about? Hi, I'm Dr. Ergin. I'm an endocrinologist, a diabetes specialist practicing in Port St. Lucie, Florida. All right, so are you tired of eating the boring old oatmeal for breakfast? Or maybe it's your favorite. Who knows, right? Are you looking for a healthier alternative? Maybe, the oatmeal is spiking your blood sugars, right? Well, look no further than chia seed pudding. It's going to be saving your day. So, what's wrong with oatmeal? Don't get me wrong, oatmeal is a classic breakfast staple that has been around for centuries, right? It is filling, it is cheap, it's easy to make, etc. Let's be real though. Eating the same thing every day can get pretty boring. If you're trying to watch your blood sugar levels especially, oatmeal may not be the best choice. Oatmeal is high in carbohydrates and can cause a spike in your blood sugar levels. This can leave you feeling tired and sluggish sometimes, and nobody wants that, right? The type of oatmeal for diabetes is important as well. Well, it has a lot of carbohydrates, but doesn't mean that you have to banish that altogether. The key lies in choosing the right type of oatmeal as well. If you remember from my previous videos, I'll talk about steel-cut, old-fashioned oats are the best options if you have diabetes. These oats undergo less processing. They have a lower glycemic index compared to instant oatmeal. This means these type of oatmeals won't spike your blood sugar levels as much. And also remember, when you're a diabetic and if you're not producing enough insulin and you must have your oatmeal and you do everything you have to and you're still spiking, really look into either natural remedies like the one at SugarMD.com or the doctor prescribed medications, although that's not the best choice, but sometimes you have to do what you have to do, right? And we have a lot of videos about the best medications, worst medications, etc. that has to do with diabetes. So remember, the less processed the oats, the more nutrients they retain and the slower your body will digest it. Now, if you don't want to do medications because you're eating oatmeal and you're spiking, well, then you need to consider taking a little walk or doing some sort of sitting exercise. If you cannot walk, you have to burn it off. If you really love your carbohydrates that much, then you really have to do some sort of activity to burn that carbohydrate off. And if you are putting like walnuts or peanut butter, etc., that will also help prevent the blood sugar spike as well. So while we are raving about the wonders of the chia seed pudding, we're not going to totally throw the oatmeal under the bus, right? So just make sure you're reaching for the right kind. Now, let's talk about the chia seed pudding now. Chia seed pudding gained a lot of popularity in recent years because of its various health benefits. What are they? First of all, they're low in carbs and high in fiber, right? It helps with cholesterol and all that good stuff, omega-3s. So why not use them for a delicious breakfast? It's made by soaking your chia seeds in a liquid, such as almond milk or coconut milk or regular milk, but regular milk is not the best for you. If it is not too much, not a big deal, right? And then you let them expand and form like a pudding-like consistency. It is also customizable with different flavors, toppings, making it fun and versatile option for your breakfast. If you want to put some cream to it to make it tastier, go for it. And nothing against that. But the real question is, does chia seed pudding really actually taste good? Well, as a self-proclaimed foodie, I was skeptical at first myself, right? But after trying it, I can confidently say that chia seed pudding can be very delicious and satisfying breakfast option. With the right combination of ingredients, you can create a super nice, creamy, flavorful pudding that will keep you full until lunchtime or even later, maybe until evening. Plus, it's naturally sweetened with fruits and honey if you want to do a little bit honey. If you are going to go exercise, go ahead, put some honey, right? You won't feel guilty about indulging in something tasty. Yeah, chia seeds aren't just a fantastic breakfast alternative, they are also loaded with an array of health benefits. Like for starters, these tiny seeds are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and for good cholesterol. They're also rich in antioxidants that help protect from diabetes and even aging and even cancer. So what's more, the fiber content in there, right, in chia seeds will help promote the regular bowel movements, which a lot of people struggle both constipation and so forth, either from diabetic neuropathy, because diabetic neuropathy can affect your bowels, if you didn't know. But also a lot of people are taking this Ozempic, Trulicity type of medications, which a lot of times cause constipation as well. These seeds will absorb a large amount of water. It will help you keep, full and satisfied, curb your overeating behavior, but also stimulate your bowels so that you can have a bowel movement. Another bonus is the presence of important nutrients like calcium, the phosphorus, the magnesium. So for people who don't consume dairy, integrating chia seeds into your diet can be a great way to ensure that your bones stay strong and healthy. If you didn't know, when you're a diabetic, your fracture risk is actually doubled or tripled, even if your bone density looks normal. So a lot of people don't know that. Finally, because of the high content or protein content in chia seeds, they are a great option for vegetarians who don't want to chow down all the meat. And a lot of people think meat is disgusting, right? You can't blame them. You can be a vegan or whatever, but you still need some plant-based proteins. There you go. Chia seeds will do that for you. So yes, replacing your standard oatmeal with chia seed at least a couple times a week will help your blood sugar regulation. It's going to boost your overall health and your well-being and your brain health. So that wraps up the great oatmeal versus chia seed pudding debate, right? So I hope you're excited to swap out your oatmeal for a bowl of creamy chia seed pudding tomorrow morning. Remember, not only it is flavorful breakfast option, but it's also a step towards better blood sugar control and better overall health. So for more tips and tricks on managing your blood sugar levels and your overall health, don't forget to visit SugarMDs.com. We have got heaps of resources and expert advice to guide you on your health journey. We have free books you can download. You can order the print books with a very minimal price. So bottom line, we have resources for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay healthy. Keep experimenting with your meals, and we will see you in the next video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.